chipped key. To get the key code, we took the cylinder out. The code is right over here. L180. Try to focus it. L180 over here. Cutting a chipped key. So right now we put the code in the cutting machine, L180, and we're going to cut it. This is high security key, so we have to cut it twice. And that's it. So we cut the key, we have it, we will put it in the ignition. We can turn it to the on position, but we can't start the engine because we have the security light. So now we will program the key to the system. We're going to, over here, let me show you, Emo. And this is Honda. Manual selection. And this is Honda Accord. Blade key. Yes. Hot function. Okay. Turn the ignition to on position. It's on.
That's something we don't need. We barely get dairy free. I think it's because ours. I mean, it's good. Out of Bronx and dairy free, I would have gone over dairy free.
The blade key system. Okay.
Because I'm not going into work. Nope. I'm not dealing with their bullshit today.
Now we're going to press all keys lost because the customer doesn't have any key. She lost all the keys. All keys lost. And start.
Yeah, oh, and then yesterday, the day that I had fallen out, not the day, but the day before that, I was going to work.
Turn the ignition off. Turn it on, same key.
There, pulled up, going to work, right? Her and Larissa, the sister, and then the mom come and pick him up, which is
See,
only
would you
his
like to
girlfriend and the mom.
No.
Or usually never notable, besides the mom.
Turn it off again.
They all go pick her
Turn
up,
it on again.
all together. They're all three together. I'm like, what a quit eating. And then pulled out, right?
Turn it off again.
Was driving out of the parking lot because I still
On.
had enough time. So I was like, let me go say what's up to Alyssa. So when that had happened, I had told Alyssa because they showed up and they were all talking
Okay.
shit out their fucking window.
The light went off. There was no security light anymore.
They were talking shit out the window.
Does the immobilizer indicator lamp go out? We'll press yes. That's it. Turn off. Turn on. And that's it. Turn it off. Okay. Now we can start the engine. The light is going off. That's it. Honda Accord 2005.